young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the incredible world of gorillas. Gorillas are like the gentle giants of the jungle, and they've been captivating our hearts for ages. Are you ready for this wild adventure? Fantastic! Join us for the next 5 minutes as we dive into the fascinating world of gorillas. Our gorilla adventure begins with an introduction to these amazing creatures. Gorillas are like the noble kings and queens of the rainforest. There are two species, the western gorilla and the eastern gorilla, and they're both incredibly unique. Now, let's explore the lush habitats of gorillas. Gorillas are like forest royalty, living in dense rainforests and mountainous regions. They're experts at climbing and can be found in trees, but they mostly stay on the forest floor. Time to discover the gorilla diet. Gorillas are like vegetarians of the jungle, primarily eating leaves, stems, fruits, and plants. They're strong and have large bellies to digest all this fibrous food. Let's observe the captivating behavior of gorillas. Gorillas are like family-oriented beings, living in groups called troops. They're peaceful and have a social structure with a dominant male, the silverback, leading the group. Our journey concludes with the importance of gorilla conservation. Gorillas are like ambassadors for the rainforest, but they're endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. We can help protect these incredible creatures by supporting conservation efforts. And there you have it, our amazing journey through the world of gorillas. Gorillas are like symbols of the wild spirit, and they teach us about the beauty and importance of nature. Whether it's the strength of a silverback or the playfulness of young gorillas, each one is a testament to the wonders of the jungle. Remember, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts, gorillas need our help. Keep learning about these amazing creatures and keep raising awareness about the importance of rainforest conservation. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational adventures with us. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this wild adventure today, my young friends. Until next time, keep the spirit of the rainforest alive in your hearts, keep exploring the wonders of the jungle, and keep championing the incredible gorillas of our planet. Goodbye, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts.